Good evening, everyone. Welcome to IS141, Applied Computer Technology for Business. I'm your instructor, Tom Rogowski, and I'm going to show you how to navigate through MyITLab and get all those assignments done. So for some of you, this might be your first online class with Park University. This might be your first time just using Canvas. You might be using, something else from a previous university. Park University uses Canvas, and we're going to hopefully quickly walk you through how to get this confusing MyITLab done. This can be confusing at the beginning because you have a lot of different assignments that are due and a lot of different locations. So what we're going to do is we're just going to start out here at the home screen, and I'm going to show you two ways that you can get into MyITLab. First, on the left-hand side, you have a menu, and you're going to go ahead and click on Modules right here. Inside of Course Information module, there are several options. You're going to come down and pick MyITLab Course Content. It's going to take just a little bit to load. That is going to load the modules from MyITLab. And here we have your folder for your eText for Excel, your eText for Access, and each unit folder as well. This week, this is being week 1, we're going to go into unit 1, so we click on that. There are two types of assignments each week. You have the recommended reading and assignments. Those are for you to read up on the material and to practice as often as possible. Anything that you do in here is not graded, and you can do a simulation over and over and over again. The required assignment is the graded portion. The good thing is you have 3 attempts to try a simulation. The highest score will be counted. So let's go ahead and go into the first one. We have Office and we have Excel. Now some of you may never have used Microsoft Office before, so that is what this module is for. Get you some common features. We have some videos, some PowerPoint presentations, and a quiz. Okay. Again, you can look at these as often as you want. You can take this quiz as often as you want. But I'm going to show you how to do the simulations for Excel. What I just did, let me go back into Office Chapter 1. In order to back out, to go back 1, I'm going up into this menu here and I'm going to click on this link. And we're going to go into Excel Chapter 1. You have videos you can watch, you have PowerPoint presentations, but the real meat is going to be the simulations here. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. Now you might have a pop-up blocker depending on the browser that you use. If this does not appear, go ahead and check and see if you have up in here some kind of message that a pop-up is blocked. Go ahead and click on that and make sure you allow the pop-up to continue. Okay, this is the practice simulation. You can do this as often as you want. And the good thing is it will help you get through it. Your instructions are on the right-hand side. Enter computer system in cell A5. You may know how to do this. You may never have even seen Excel. So there are 3 ways that the system is going to help you. Number 1, we're going to go down to the very bottom to this link called Learning Aids. We're going to click on that, and there are 3 types. The first one, read the instructions on how to do it. And this is the instructions for the entire spreadsheet assignment. It's going to take a little bit, and here we go. You can watch the video, and you can go through the steps. Okay, that is 1. You can read the instructions. To get out of this, click on this X up here. Number 2, click on Watch Video. I like this one.
Click cell A5, type Computer System, and then press Enter. With cell A6 selected, type Color Laser Printer, and then press Enter. The remaining data will
Okay, that was probably a little low. Hopefully you heard that. So it'll tell you step by step what you need to do. And number 3, you can practice. Click on practice. This, here we go. It is a step by step. It'll show you exactly where you need to go and what you need to do. And it'll highlight it. Click cell A5, type computer system. I'm typing this in. And hit enter. There you go. So let's go ahead and do this. A5, computer system. Hit enter. Okay, then we're going to do the next step in the instructions. Color laser printer, cell A6. If you make a mistake, let's say I do laser but the Z printer, let's see what happens. Incomplete action. Well, I typed it wrong. Let's try it again. Color laser printer. There we go. Question complete. It goes on to the next question. There are 4 questions. This is 2 of 4. Okay. When you are done, you go ahead and submit your assignment. Okay, this is the recommended assignment. You can do this as often as you want. The score that you get here doesn't count. Okay, whoops, that's not what I wanted, but that's okay. Let's get back to Unit 1. And in the required assignments, here is where it counts. For Office Chapter 1, let's get in. Here we go. You have a quiz. You can take it 3 times. Excel Chapter 1. You have 2 simulations and 1 quiz. You can take these 3 times. And you have choose one assignment. Make sure you read through the instructions on how to do this. But bottom line, you pick one of these. Let's go in here real quick. And it'll give you instructions. You have to download the file to your computer. You have to have Excel on your computer to make this work. And you have to follow the instructions. Then you upload the file and it will grade it for you. You also have to submit the file that you saved in Canvas. And you also want to save that file in your ePortfolio, okay, so that you have it. So 3 places that you want to go. Submit it here. It'll automatically grade it for you. You want to go ahead and also submit it in Canvas. And that's to let me know that I need to go look for it and grade it, because the system does not automatically always tell me. And number 3, put it in your ePortfolio folder. Okay. Okay. That is one way that you can go into MyITLab, which was through modules, MyITLab course content. The other way is going in through MyLab and Mastering, and MyLab IT course content. The screen looks a little different, but you see it is in the same folder structure. Same thing. It's just different ways that you can get to it. How you do it, it doesn't matter. It's up to you, whatever you feel more comfortable with. All right. Okay, I hope that answers a lot of your questions. If not, go ahead and send me a note in Canvas. Go ahead and send me an email. I'll be more than happy to get you through this course. This is not an easy, I'm sorry, this is not a difficult course to complete. It is pretty easy. The only thing is there's a lot of work, and week 1 and maybe even week 2, you are bombarded with so much new information, you're lost, and you're going, what the heck is going on? It's okay. Ask for help. I'm here to help you. Okay, I'm here to get you through it and pass this class. All right. So if you have any questions, go ahead and send me a note through Canvas or through an email, and I'll be happy to help you get through this course. All right. But you can do it. I know you can. So once again, welcome to IS141. I'm your instructor, Tom Rogowski, and we're going to have a great time for the next 8 weeks. Thank you, and have a good night.